With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question given here is, among the following compounds, the decreasing order of reactivity towards electrophilic substitution is. So we are given 1, 2, 3, and 4 compounds. So we have to tell the decreasing order of reactivity towards electrophilic substitution reactions, and we are given these 4 options, right? So we are given these there are three this 4 figures are given. So each figure contains a benzene ring, right? So like if we talk about the benzene, or we can say the aromatic compounds, they go all the compounds contain benzene and they're aromatic, and they will go undergo electrophilic substitution reaction, right? So basically an electrophile is substituted. So benzene has, basically, as we know that benzene has high electron density due to delocalization of pi electrons, and that therefore they shows electrophilic substitution reactions, and we have to tell the decreasing order of the reactivity. So we'll take the these 4 compounds. So first one is a benzene ring with the CH3 group, that is methyl group, and this compound is toluene, right? With the So this is compound first. Now if we see here, so there is a functional group here, that is CH3. So the CH3 group is a electron donating group. Electron donating group. So when methyl group is attached to the benzene ring, so it will increase the electron density, and it will activate the, like it acts an activating group for electrophilic substitution reaction to occur. So it will be a activating group, and it will increase the electron density over ortho and para positions. So that is why they are known as ortho and para directing group, right? So second compound given here is benzene. So benzene, if we draw the structure of benzene, so there is no functional group over this benzene, but as we know that there is an aromatic hydrogen which undergoes substitution reaction, right? So for benzene, we can say that electrodensity is high, so it will show reaction, but there is no functional group present, so we cannot like compare the reactivity. So for the third structure, it is given a benzene ring with a methoxy group, right? So it is an anisole. So methoxy group is OCH3, right? So if we see this structure, like this functional group, so this methoxy group, right? Now if we see that electron is an like we know that oxygen has electron pairs, right? So oxygen will give its electron pairs to the benzene ring here, and electron density over benzene will be increased, right? So increase in electrodensity will behave as electron donating group. Again, methoxy group will behave as electron donating group, and again it will increase the electron density over benzene. So it is an activating group for electrophilic substitution reaction, and again the electron density will be increased on ortho and para positions, so ortho and para directing group. Now the fourth compound given here is carbon, this benzene ring with CF3 group, right? CF3. So this carbon has 3 fluorine attached to it. So as we know that fluorine has is a high electronegative atom, and it has high electronegativity. Therefore, it will attract electron towards itself, and it will create a partial positive charge on carbon atom and partial negative charge on itself, right? So in return, so carbon will have like partial positive charge, so it will withdraw negative charge, or you can say electrons from the benzene ring here, and it will decrease the electron density over benzene ring. So if we talk about CF3 group, so it is a electron withdrawing group, and it is a deactivating group for electrophilic substitution reaction. Deactivating group. And if the electrophilic substitution occurs in like least case, it will occur. So it will be a meta-directing group. Meta-directing group, right? So now we can compare these. So if we see that this is methyl group is also activating group, and again this methoxy group is also activating group. But if we compare these, so methyl will be a weaker electron donating group or activating group. Then methoxy, it will be a stronger, right? So if we compare, so the third figure is here. So third one is the most reactive towards electrophilic substitution. Then is the first one. Then is hydrogen, because as we know that this is a deactivating group, so this will be in the end. So hydrogen, like this benzene, right? So next, the last is the fourth one, that with the CF3 group. So the correct option here is first option. Answer is first option.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.